Want to send one email to thousands of people and even make money while you sleep? That's the power of email broadcast. And in today's video, I'm going to exactly show you step by step how to create an email broadcast in AWeber. And if you stay tuned till the end, I'm going to introduce you to an opportunity of lifetime where you can start earning affiliate income online and eventually quit your 9-to-5 job. So stay tuned till the end. Hey there, it's Manogar and welcome back to part 14 of how to make $100 per day with affiliate marketing as a beginner. Now, if you missed the previous video where I have shown you how to create an email automation sequence, then you can always watch out the video on top right of your screen. So let's get straight to my AWeber dashboard and show you how to create an email broadcast. So this is the AWeber dashboard, and if you've not got your AWeber account, you can always check out my affiliate link in the description box below to get 14 days free trial of AWeber. Now, if you don't know how to create an email list, then you can always watch out the video on top right of your screen. Now, after creating this email list, social media, now we are going to create an email broadcast for this social media list. So once over here, go and click on this messages button, and here you can go and click on this broadcast. So once over here, click on this create message drop down and click on this drag and drop editor. Now creating this message is the same as you have created in email automation. Just go over here and just type in the subject line, hi, double click over here and just type in the message, hi, and cheers, Manu. So if you want to insert your affiliate link, just double click it, bold, underline, insert the link over here. So this is how you insert your affiliate link. And then click on save button. So after doing this, go and click on the save and exit. So you can see that your email broadcast has been created and it is shown in the draft status. Now here's the most important part. Now just go and click on this schedule option, and under the schedule option, you can see the subject, the schedule. Now you need to know when to send this email broadcast. Now, if your subscribers are totally from the US, then you have to make sure that you settle the time in Eastern time. So normally I send in the Eastern time. So since all my subscribers are from the US, so you can click on this choose date, and over here you can change the time zone and go up over here and you can see this time zone, Eastern time. So click on this Eastern time and select the send time. Now this time, send time can be anything like 8 a.m., 10 a.m. or 12 p.m. or 6 p.m. or 8 p.m. anything in this case. So I'm just going to select it as 12 p.m. and after that you can select the day on which you're going to send this email, and here you can see this audience where to send. Now here you can click on this edit button and you can see this current list. So it is social media, and you can select whether you want to send it to their active subscribers and only the subscribers which you have added from yesterday, or added in the past 7 days, or added in the past 30 days, or added in the past 1 year. Now these are the segments, and after that you can add any automations if you want, and you can also share these messages to your other platforms, and you have this additional options, track links clicked in this message. Yes, email me when message stats are available. If you want, you can click on this also, and after that you can click on this schedule message. So over here you can see that the message has been scheduled and the date and time. So this is how you create your email broadcast. Now you can also edit this, preview this, click on this preview option to see the message, and you can also click on this edit settings, and you can also see this copy this email to create a duplicate of it, and you can copy to other list also. And if you want to unschedule it, you can just click on this unschedule, and you can also click on this edit settings to again change the settings over here. Email broadcast can also be used to split test. So once you click on the split test, here you can go and click on this create a split test, and you can split test based on the subject line, or you can split test based on your body content, or you can split test based on your send time. Test all these 3 different parameters individually and see which one is working for you, and you can double down on that. So this is how you create your email broadcast in AWeber, and also how to split test in AWeber for your email broadcast. Now, if you're someone who's serious about quitting their 9-to-5 job and want to make real money online, then here's an opportunity that is going to help you quit your 9-to-5 job and make a living out of affiliate marketing. And the program is called Passive Income Profits from my own mentor, Ben from Singapore. Now you can check out the link in the description box below. So once you click on those links, you will reach this page called Welcome to Passive Income Profits. Now, under this program, it's just not a course. It's just a mentorship program. So you have 3 levels of mentorship program, where Beginners Club, which is $97 USD one time, Start Club $2997 US one time, and Inner Circle $6997 US one time. Now in Beginners Club, it's like a do-it-yourself program where you have more than 100 videos recorded for you, where you can watch and take action step by step. Now what is covered in all those videos? Now over here you can see it is email marketing, social media marketing, paid ads training, and course creation training. And what else do you get? You get lifetime Facebook group support, and then he will answer all your questions in the Facebook group less than 24 hours. And also you get in-house affiliate program to earn all 3 levels of mentorship commissions, which is 30%. When you click on this check curriculum button over here, you can see what all you get in this Beginners Club. So you can see all these are the videos that you're going to get: affiliate marketing, email marketing, custom domain funnel, Getresponse, CPA offers, traffic, social media marketing, paid ad success secrets, all about Google Ads, GTM, Microsoft advertising, course creation success secrets. So these are the videos. There are more than 100 videos where you can watch and learn on your own. Now, when you come to the second program, which is the Start Club, you get everything in the Beginners Club, plus you get an 8 times weekly one-on-one Zoom session with the mentor Ben himself. It's going to be minimum of 60 minutes. And this is more of an intermediate and advanced stuff, where if you are someone who already is doing email marketing, or if you are someone who is into the affiliate marketing and you want to really scale your game, then this is for those kind of persons. He will make sure that you are going to build and optimize your buyers list for the maximum sales, and advanced affiliate marketing strategies, and also how to create your multiple sources of income using the same email list. And also you get access to his in-house affiliate program to earn from all the 3 levels of mentorship, which is going to be 40%. You also get his Facebook Messenger access, where he will answer your questions in less than 12 hours. And normally it takes less than 1 or 2 hours. And the final one, which is called the Inner Circle. Now, this program is different from the Beginners Club and the Start Club because of his big guarantee. Now, what is the guarantee? You get everything in the Beginners Club and the Start Club, plus he will work with you directly until you make $5,000 in profit for consecutively 3 months. That's the time commitment that he is giving you in order you to learn the foundations of affiliate marketing, so that you hit $5,000 consistently for 3 months. And from there, you can go and scale your business on your own. So what else do you get? You get one-on-one weekly Zoom session with him. And also you get tailor-made action plans and weekly assignments, and also viral videos and converting offers right now. And also you will get your questions answered in less than 6. And also 90% done for your systems, and in-house affiliate commissions, which is 50%, and also 2-tier commission rates. And also team bonus of $5,000 USD. So before that, there is a catch over here. Now, before enrolling into this course, you have to click on this check curriculum and book a Zoom session before you enroll. Now, you need to book a Zoom session which is free with the mentor Ben himself. Now, this is not just to push you into this program, but you also need to have your own informed decision before enrolling into this program, because here, the mentor and you will have an understand where the mentor will understand your goals, your commitments, your budget in order to achieve what is given as a guarantee in this program. So definitely, if you don't have your budget, then he's not going to help. It's all about having all these 3 goals, commitments, and your budget. So if you don't have any one of these, then he's definitely going to reach. Jim Rohn, the famous personal development mentor, said, if you are not willing to risk the usual, then you have to settle for the ordinary. So if you want to improve your life, quit your 9-to-5 job and make a real living out of your affiliate marketing business online, then you have to push out of your comfort zone. You have to take the extra step. It is going to be risky, but it's going to reward you in your long term. So if you really liked what you learned today, then go and hit the subscribe button below so that you don't miss the next video, which is going to be the next autoresponder, which is Getresponse. So please stay tuned and make sure that you follow every step in this tutorial series to get real value out of this. So see you until then.